here for interview.
Yes, the last time I came, you see me to my week. So
But I here for interview.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe for interview focus.
Okay.
Second,
the last time I see Bupuga my week, but because I'm at work, I couldn't.
now, I don't want that equable here. Focus.
Okay.
If you're not ready, you go down.
I will need my ring light. Can you stand there my phone?
The way phone and like a billion talking like come on, how will let me back about social media dinner?
Absolutely, I know.
I told that to Beke.
Okay, yes, sir. Take out with it. Let my ring light. Let me get the phone now.
Hey, quickly. Prostrate on him, Brian. Hey, first in front of prostrate.
Okay.
Pro like that. Branga be at on Arago, Braga Todo. Hey, church here, bring you down. Wait to Koganala. Keep that your leg straight. Each one yenda buki taga. As him remove that your hand from your waist. Turn answer. Here, walking. Huh? The walk on straight. Get it in here. I get Kamjoa.
Eh?
Your weak cake or water.
You're good for it.
No, will I'm for you. Huh?
Yes, sir. Should I come grab move to my phone?
Keep quiet to Sammy him dragging. Here, no, get out. So, turn out to go on Chile Cabago. Look at. No, will I'm for you. Each one young Baralani Kembo. Branga Gabum see how I'm for you. If I megas, get me where kind, when the and nothing, and when him ring down. Nothing. Me where kind. Remove it. But I get you not get me where kind. Look front. Gabu, I say your face front. Turn on face the front. Turn on face the front. Turn on give face a turn out. Bro, to lomo wine and medra cleaning work. Blended cleaner. Ma bingo. When I cupboard, he can cupboard that may wear a phone over here. I chum that touch from you here now. I say I chum that touch from you.
Jessica.
He bogi ma bingo.
Chinomso.
Proto. Inwe hara.
Enwere mu.
Inwe hara ebe. Huh?
Enwere mu.
Nothing. When you're not getting me, I will cheap boy. I'm going to with phone cover to face him, matroma, cover to issue when he went through space. Look at no, I know it. That man got forget
Oh, my sister, boy.
Call that person, camera more.
I all the shy.
Bingo. Oh, yeah, why?
Oh, my sister, my own sister.
Ofunnaga.
Yes, sir. Ochagadi.
Eshbahaga.
Chinomso
nya.
Nte wonka.
I told that we have focus.
Yeah.
Chinomso nte wonka. Nage na nego dendo. Chai. Donna hamwana. Ndo. Orphanage. Motherless, fatherless girl. Gini buru ha?
Aji aho.
Oya mama buru ha?
Yeah. When I was very tender. Okay, in the small.
Ndo. Iwonya ebe?
Onyolo.
Ebe n'olo.
After Umaka.
Ebe no Umaka.
Isun.
Ebe no su.
Omondoba.
Wapaka n'ukwu ga.
Sorry, sir.
Wapaka no puga ko stand straight. Ebala rambo.
Mba, never.
E wono eno na family no wo nyara.
Never.
Nke totala gembo.
Mba.
Ike goja anya.
Nyanya.
Ike ge bi janyu amamre. Eti ya mo oja anya.
As it should. Yes.
It should.
As it should. Oto kwesiri.
Ike goja anya pa gide nye.
Anube munka before, sir.
Then give you with English based from my session. Ike ge akuba amo dia. Oja anya ma he wo gum. Oja gum amo.
Like catcher, like yana what catcher.
Catcher kana. Tile no goalkeeper di mo tele gidre gwam say like catcher. Otele na ejidam. Oga wo goalkeeper. Ike goja anya this girl.
Yeah, mama, if you're only ne kuma catcher.
Every super glue no gni ike.
Mba na no. Mba. Enwe super glue no nike. Mba.
Otele na enwe hu gum. Gum na ejidam. Enrola la rombo nwoke apia aga kanara.
Mba.
Enrola la ro nwoke ti ga munike.
Mba.
Gini buru nne gị na nna gị.
Ha nwere kidney failure.
Heu, ha abụọ. Heu, ndo no. Ha ji eri indomie.
Indomie no.
Ha ji aṅụ mmanya.
No.
Ha ji aṅụ siga.
No.
Then what ele ihe nwere ike cause ya? Ịhụ na ihe ọbụla eri asị.
Imo to buy it now. They couldn't get the care they needed, so it is what it is.
Kobodi shi na nọnyere anyị.
Ano mi kwuru, sir.
Ele obodo shi na nọnyere anyị.
Ano England.
Ebe na England.
Manchester.
Enwele mgbe ị nọ taa ga-etiwa amụ agụgbole m itelo dị mkpu mbụ.
Mba. Enwere m self control.
Ị nwere with self control na gịnị? Ha? Ị nwere with self control na gịnị? Chineke agba gị ọkụ nwa bingo. Oya mere nwe ha ara ebere nga bịa si nwere self control. Otu ike na-adịghị n'ahụ. Bịara nga bịa si nwere self control.
But Bishop, you must say
Them you. When I with self control. You want to hear me why need unique?
And we brumia, but doctors are there on my side to trash it.
Him to rogewo. In when I hear why need unique them
now. As at now, we
okay, in where's ya kehemeniji to fuze ya inane use ya.
I saw them, no wiki buteregi cancer.
He can't see ya.
Yes.
Get what she use ye.
Exactly.
Okay, can say he je now.
Just like I said, more enwem self-control. Sir, enwem self-control. Let me go to my room. Sorry, sir. Anyway, sir, let me go to my room. Yeah. Add him 30.
Listen, focus here. Don't come here and disturb me.
Yes, I just want to set my ring light so that
I told that English from you. Chineke abago kuma bingo. Eri.
Eweliwe.
Focus on here.
Yeah. Okay, let me just sit down.
30 years, give me one same chef captain.
So, are we not the 30 years again with self-control?
Damn you, I like my job. I wake we are not one go. Branga pe kwam si nwere self control. Abata n'ime hotel gị na atịpụtacha shoe ndị mmadụ ha pụtara. I took that touch from you here. Branga pe kwam nwere self control. Nwoke Igbo bịa elo gị na mwenye aka dị. Ye wepụtacha ma key J5 na Mercedes nọcha nke ahụ. Echefu. Branga bịa kwam nwere self control. I took that touch. Oh, the mother na aga ịṅụ ara nepụl ọnụ ara ga-abịa n'akụkụ nga bịa gwu ige dịta ihe aṅụ mara ya aṅụpụrụ ya be njaba azụ ara Otele gụmago ji awaghị isi.
No, ọ na-eme iwe na-ewe m.
Nwere mgbe ọ gụrụ gị ya awa gị isi.
Mba.
Iji ata arụ.
Mba.
Ị lụọla ọgụ with nwaanyị ibe gị mbụ?
No, adịkwa m very soft, mba.
Iji anyụ ahụ?
Of course, yes.
Ahụ o ji eshi ushi?
No, sometimes.
Ahụ o ji eshi ushi nwa bingo?
Yeah.
Nwa agbọghọbịa ahụ ya na-eshi ushi. Ị ga-eji mmiri agbachi ike ka ọ tissue?
I use water. Ana m eji mmiri. Ana m epu ụzọ use tissue, then use mmiri. Then if I'm out, I use wipes.
Ebere gị ugwu? Ebere gị ugwu?
Yes. Yeah.
Nwa agbọghọbịa achapụrụla kanda o ji anyụ amamara. Ya wụ bracket ebe ihe ụtọ ya dị. Onwere mgbe ị nọgidere abịa na-abịa gbaa gị enyi mbụ?
Apart from okay.
Onye ogbi kwanụ, onye ogbi ọ gbaala gị enyi?
Mgbe m nọ secondary school.
Onye ogbi. Ele ihe wee tọka kọchị. Ele ihe wee isi ọchị gị. Ọ dị mmadụ gị ka ndị ogbi nke na-agba enyi. Ọ dị mmadụ gị. Mgbe ị bịara nga m kwụsịrị biliọta, I notice m gị that na-ewu the kind of woman ndị ogbi na-agba enyi ya la ndị anaghị balance. Ọ ya mere enweghị ike. Lee ụdị ike gara aga ma bụrụ ara enweghị ike bebe. Ụdị ike gara aga bụrụ. Ike ndị Atinga ọbịa ịla. Atinga alawala m o. Mgbe onye ogbi gbaga gị enyi ele ihe gwara ya?
I was just naive. And when then I felt like only the
Where Igbo?
So oga hono I dey obere. So I try more be push away ko happy did the press and all because all the car on unweighted such this thing. So me and my friend, like my very good friend, I didn't want him to feel rejected. So we became like friends.
Yeah, tag.
No. I was still
Damn you.
What was school? That was
Damn you. But I'm on a problem maybe Kagishi. Damn you, Nyeri. But I'm on a problem about Kagishi Lara. Onyo be like a coach as I here, maybe I got be used to English. I became naive. I don't feel it didn't takrebran, no, you be when feel. Onye really, I sang a damn you, Chilekabago, Koma bingo.
Bishop, I won't virgin mba.
Damn you, virgin Bakara, Wabingo, Yeri, virgin Mako, Yobi. Makoga, Potali, Kuliese, not Alagambo. I hit you all a virgin, Gubebra. Egola virgin. Mako, Yobi, make a Kagania will friend. A will virgin. Because I got caught tonight to me, I say, how come? Egola virgin. Wabobia, Yelando be no coga. Onyo be trala taja sacha. Yaya tamara peja sacha. Bracket. Ara no tele bwe. Ma after onye odo.
No.
Genotype ogo.
AA.
Blood group ogo.
O negative.
Aya phone number.
I'm at my Nigerian number, but
Or your WhatsApp number. Listen, don't joke with me. Iman, it is serious. Don't, see, you are no longer a child. Oh. Let me be honest to you people. Him respect you no matter who. Every man and woman no branga. Which I went away to take note. If you are watching me streaming with me here, take note that both man and both woman went away. Therefore, when you are to answer anybody, use your mindset, your good energy to follow that person. Man, good or bad.
you're right. How is your?
Most of them are bad people. Most of them are coming to steal from you. So when somebody come close to you, use your mind.
Yeah.
If good person comes, you will know that that person is out to settle down and marry.
Yeah.
Call your number. Don't joke with me here.
070-073 28727175.
Boy, your son.
073 28727175.